Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll solve this step. First of all, copy this username and open Looker in private window. Then paste the password, Control V. Sorry, the username. Paste the username. Then copy the password and again come over here and paste the password, Control V. Click on login. Wait for a moment. Now in this, click on development mode in this left side below. Click on this. And you can see in above you are in development mode. It will be showing after activating this development mode. Now click on simply develop and click on Qwiklab e-commerce. Then wait for a moment. Now go to tasks and click on task 1. Scroll down, copy first comment, and we have to do remove 8 to 13 number lines. Okay. Now go to click on this models arrow button, click on training e-commerce, and we have to remove this 8 to 13 line, this before level, this line before, remove it and Control V, copy the one, and now go to again tags and copy this second command and go to here and paste it within these curly braces. Just click within curly braces, hit enter and Control V, and again go to task, copy this fourth command and now come over here and press enter, Control V. Okay, these two lines must be between these curly braces. If you don't follow, then it will be showing error. Okay, now simply again go to tasks and we have any, yes, copy this command and come over here and we have to enter this in fifth line, enter. After coming here, press enter. Now Control V. Okay, like this it will be 16 line. Paste the command in 16 line. Okay, now click on save changes and click on validate LookML. Now click on commit and changes. Okay, type anything like and comment. Okay, now commit. Now click on deploy to production. Okay, it's done, showing no errors. Now simply go to task, scroll down, check my progress for task 1. Wait for a moment to update. It's done. Simply check points, you can see you get scored 100 points. Okay, now in this lab, see you in next video. Still in data. Bye.